The cessnacopter out in the copter pocket right now. That's this light between the 241819191, and it has a red white pulse. So it has a red orange front, white back, flash flash, flash flash, flash flash. It's going at the cessnacopter speed, so it's coming up on the tree between 241819191. So I'm gonna count its movements once he comes out from the tree. He's going left to right. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left pulse, right pulse, left pulse, right pulse, left, right pulse, slightly left, little right pulse. That was actually more like center right, little left, right pulse, little left, right, left pull pulse, back to the center, bump pulse, pulse, pulse left, pulse right, pulse left, pulse right, left, slightly right to left, so right, left, right, little left, little right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, slightly little left, right, left, right. Nice pine 24171, looking across the street, right, left, right, left, right, little left but pulse, slightly right, slightly left, slightly right, little bump of pulse, slightly left. I think he's doing little bumps slightly left.